Was expected to be a day of jubilation across Rivers State turned out to be a major letdown for the supporters of the suspended governor of the state, Reinstate Fubara. Naija News reports that June 12, Nigeria's Democracy Day, came and went without the anticipated announcement reinstating the suspended governor, his deputy, Ngozi Odu, and the House of Assembly. Many had marked the day of celebration, believing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu would use the opportunity to reverse the state of emergency declared on 18th of March, which effectively removed the democratic structures in the state amid the heated political feud between Fubara and his estranged political godfather, Nyesom Wike. Despite mounting pressures from prominent Nigerians and strong indications from two high-levels meeting, one in London and another in Lagos, that a recall was on cards, the president remained silent. A source who spoke with Vanguard revealed that the announcement of the governor's return was to be made by Tinubu on 12th of June. The process of handing over power would have taken 1 or 2 weeks, but that hope was dashed. Insiders disclosed that Governor Fubara even hinted a public event that he and other suspended officials will return very soon. However, the situation took a different turn. With just 3 months left in the current emergency rule, Governor Fubara's reinstatement remains uncertain. Even if he returns, the political terrain awaiting him appears treacherous. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.